Yes, you're training. You see the movement. Look at me. Like that. Now we're training to beat Anel. Anel is the leader. Now, Anel, we come in with you. We're training. We save the country. Yes, yes. Now, when we keep Anel like that, you see, look at me. Anel, say Anel.
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 We come in to pick you.
We come in to pick you.
Now we're strong.
Now
this is the Marines. Now we're working together.
Now we're working together.
We don't need to use gun. We're fighting hard. Yeah. Oh, fine. This is a movement.
We're coming for Anel.
Hey, come. No communication right now because we got all the technology to keep Anel. And let me tell you something. You know what? Come, guys. Come. We coming. We come to pick up you in Haiti, in Latibonite.